Now I gotta clean up this mess.
Craft beer zombie.
Let's go. All right. Channel update. I've been working on a video of the weirdest beers out there. That video's almost done, but what I'm really excited about today is I got a bunch of new gear that I'm excited to open. Did the slow motion test with the Sony FS7. I was borrowing it from a friend, finally got one, and it came in today. There's a Black Friday. There was a Black Friday deal that was running. I got it from Autorama. It was $500 less than B&H. Oh, I also got some C stands. That's what these are. The kit I got came with the Atomos. Let's see, which one is it? The Atomos accessory kit. So, oh, lens adapters. Lens adapter. I should have one more. Battery. Oh, there are three. Harder with doing it with one hand. Adapter. It's charged. Anyway, that'll be it, guys. It's just a little channel update. I've got a new beer video coming out hopefully next week. See you next time. Craft beer is a booming industry, so nowadays breweries are having to come up with weird and wonderful beers to keep beer drinkers interested. Here are the 5 oddest out there.